morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Angelle here. What it do? Oh, y'all, it's another day. I don't feel good today, y'all. It's cold. It's raining. I have the worst headache, and I woke up real nauseous. Take this out. I ate some sugar, and immediately after I ate one of those small cinnamon rolls from Cinnabon. Immediately my head has been hurting. I ate that like 6 o'clock last night. It's 9 o'clock in the morning now. I don't feel good. I can't seem to shake it. So I just been drinking water and Gatorade, you know. So anyway, I'm tired, y'all. I cannot wait for Vlogmas to be over, y'all. This has kicked my butt. I be in the streets, y'all. I really, really do be in the streets, but this is excessive. Like, this was dedication, y'all. Like, for real, dedication. The only reason why I'm in the streets right now and not back at home is because my kid is still in school. It seems like everybody else is out, but my kid has to go to school this week. So, well, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And it's only half a day. So I figure by the time I take her to school and get back home and lay down, it's going to be time to come back and get her. So I might as well stay in the streets, right? So I was going to Starbucks, but the line was too long. I was going to get some oatmeal. The line was too long, so we'll spin the block on Starbucks. I went to the post office already. That was quick. I'm right here at DD's. I just went in there, walked around. I was just killing time because nothing's really open. Things are open really to 10. It's 9. So I really didn't see anything. I have a feeling I need to go in the Dollar Tree for like some bags. But I think we got some at home. So I'm one of those people, I don't care what the bags say. Birthday, Easter, I don't care what Mother's Day, I don't care what it says. It's going under the tree. It's a bag. Because y'all know I really don't wrap gifts. Really. My baby's a teenager, you know what I'm saying? So, I really don't wrap gifts like that. So, everything goes in the gift bag. So, I was just looking at my car, y'all. And I still got some coupons from Bath and Body Works. So, I was trying to see if they expire or not. And 2 of them are not. So, I get a free full-size body care item with any $10 purchase. Now through Christmas Eve. Then I got $8 Vanilla Bean Noel or Winter Candy Apple body care item. So can I use both of them? Can I spend the $8 on the Vanilla Bean Noel? Find something else? I don't know. You know, I'll find anything for my kid. You know what I'm saying? Anything for the babes. And I got another one. Girl, that been expired back in November. So one is trash. So, damn. Bath and Body Works don't open till 10. I need to go to Walmart. But I want to go with my baby. I wish stores open back up real early like they used to. Like, I need stuff to be open when the kids go to school, like 8, 9 o'clock. I need stuff to be open because this 10, 11 o'clock, this be blowing me, bruh. Because sometimes I can't even go places because if it's on the other side of town and you don't open up till 10, by the time I get in there and get what I need to get, I got to go to one place and come back to get my kid from school. The good old days. So let's go. It's 9 o'clock. I need to go to Five Below, but I need to go. Yeah. When my baby get out of school, everything will be fine. But she doesn't get out till 12. Let's go to Starbucks. At this point, let's just go to Starbucks. Yeah. See y'all there. Okay. Y'all, have y'all ever tried this iced sugar cookie almond milk latte? Disgusting. It is so nasty. Hey y'all, so I'm back at the outlet. It's 10 o'clock. It's a long line outside of Coach. I'm finna run in here and get one thing, and then I'm probably gonna go to the CCS real quick. And yeah, so let's go into Coach. Oh, y'all, look. That's so pretty. Ooh. Look at that. That's cute. And it's in different colors. And a black one. Okay. Y'all, they really don't have too much stuff left in here. This bag, Nylon Ellis. Okay. These are 70% off. Look at these bags. It's in different colors. But y'all, this is truly it. They have these. These with the snake. Can you see that? Okay. Oh my word, this is it. Y'all, they have a few like bandos right here. And they have this color. Y'all, all this is gone. Oh, y'all, it's raining. Coach didn't have anything. I'm talking about absolutely nothing. Damn, of all days, I don't have a hood. Let's just run to Michael Kors real quick. Y'all, so I'm at Michael Kors. And y'all know, if y'all follow Mom Ambition, she just showed her bag like this. But look at this one. This is in the color Bordeaux. This is everything. And they have it in like a silver as well. Hold on. See, there's the silver one right there. This is the one Mom Ambition has. No, that one I think. Oh my God, y'all. They're $200. That is everything. Do I need it? No. Do I want it? Yeah. I'm not even supposed to be buying myself anything else. Alright, y'all. We are at Barnes and Nobles. Here to get one book. Let's see if we can find it. Look at this. Ooh, okay. Cheryl Underwood. Everything is so. Michael Jack. I came to get this book. I've heard it was really good. But she has other ones. So let's read this one first. And do y'all read? Y'all need to give me some more suggestions. But let's get this and let's go get the kid. Okay. I guess these are book club books. Their eyes are, I think I read this. How the one on sister sweeps her house. Y'all give me some more recommendations. Okay, let's go. Y'all came to Five Below to get a gingerbread house. This all I got left. One. I need 3. Just have to get some from Walmart. Y'all look at these. Cinnabon cookies. The babes want the sugar cookie. But this caramel chocolate, that's like the ones that was at Crumble Cookie a couple weeks ago. Ooh, that looks so good. We'll get a pack of these. But in the meantime, we got 3 of these for us. So this is about as festive as your girl is gonna get. So let me get I'm gonna have some coffee creamer. And yeah.